in-start ko yung Solar Training Academy kasi sa tingin ko hindi ko kaya mag-mass educate sa mga Pilipinos kung ako lang mag-isa. So I started the Solar Training Academy for the purpose of somebody helping me para mag-educate sa mga tao about solar and its benefits. So kahit mga graduates, pwede rin mag-enroll yung mga people who would really want to invest in solar as business. Pwede rin yung mga tao na gusto nilang mag-install sila mismo sa bahay nila. And pwede rin mga tao na gustong magtrabaho sa solar na wala pang skills. Kaya they need this 2-day training from us. Dito nila makukuha kung paano mag-install ng solar mula off-grid, hybrid, at saka on-grid. At hindi lang yan. After the training, we are encouraging them na mag-join as OJT sa mga actual installation namin. Bakit? Kasi doon nila, mas ma-enhance pa yung training nila pagdating doon sa site kasi nga raw ang installation doon. Ituturo namin paano ang diskarte ng mga wiring, paano pag-deal ng even difficult clients. Immediately, they can work somewhere else. Or even with us, they can apply immediately for us because really, demand for solar jobs is very high sa ngayon. Click the link to learn more about the PhilSolar Training Academy.